Want the ultimate sweet and savory comfort food? Today we're making crispy chicken and waffles, crunchy golden chicken, fluffy waffles, and a drizzle of maple syrup. Let's get cooking. For the chicken, you'll need chicken tenders or boneless chicken pieces, buttermilk, flour, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and oil for frying. For the waffles, use your favorite waffle batter, plus butter and maple syrup for serving. First, place the chicken in a bowl with buttermilk, salt, black pepper, and a little garlic powder. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 20 minutes. This keeps the chicken juicy and flavorful. In another bowl, combine flour, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Take each piece of chicken from the buttermilk and coat it generously in the seasoned flour. Press the flour onto the chicken for an extra crispy crust. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat. Carefully add the chicken and fry until golden brown and fully cooked. Depending on the size, this usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Transfer the chicken to a wire rack or paper towel to drain. Now it's waffle time. Preheat your waffle maker and lightly grease it with butter or cooking spray. Pour in the waffle batter and cook until the waffles are golden brown and crispy on the outside. Place a warm, fluffy waffle on a plate and top it with crispy fried chicken. Add a small pat of butter, then generously drizzle with warm maple syrup. And there you have it! Crispy chicken and waffles, crunchy, juicy, fluffy, buttery, and sweet. Serve immediately and enjoy this delicious comfort food classic.